Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make over $100 a day on TikTok. Now, before we begin, I assume that you already know what TikTok is, but if you don't know what it is, very quickly, it is one of the brand new social media apps that is growing immensely fast, and you should definitely take advantage of it because there is a lot of free traffic that you can get on this app. So let's go ahead and see the different ways that we can make money off of the TikTok platform. So basically, this guy right here is creating a ton of TikToks on various different websites and powerful tools and websites that you probably didn't know about. And he uploads a video about every day, pretty much. And basically, he's grown this 4.3 million followers with over 77.3 million likes. And basically, the way that this guy monetizes his videos is by going to his description and linking to his YouTube channel. So again, this is the most basic way to make money, is by directing your TikTok audience to your YouTube channel, and that YouTube channel will then generate ad revenue based off of the amount of views that it gets. So if we go to his channel, we can see, we see that he's got a ton of videos here. He has over 34,000 subscribers, and I'm assuming a lot of the views on his main videos are probably from his TikTok. So that's how he grew his channel, with only these amount of videos right here. Again, if you want to go the simple route, you can make a TikTok and you can link to your YouTube channel, in which case you can make money off your YouTube channel. An alternative way to make money is by looking at this account right here, which is called SheetGeek. This person makes Google Sheet tutorials on TikTok, and he has over 2.3 million followers with over 11.5 million likes. And if we go to his bio link here, he's going to link to a merch store, which he is selling different merchandise, different shirts that are based around Google Sheets. So they're kind of like comedy graphic t-shirts that he's selling. And I'm assuming he's making at least some amount of money because, again, we have a lot of views here. This one has 1.2 million views. This one has over 580,000. This one has 1.4 million. This one has 1.3 million. So, I mean, he's bringing in a lot of traffic, and that's a lot of traffic that you can bring to a merch store like SheetGeek, for example, and you can make a lot of money doing merchandise. Now, the last way that you can make money off of TikTok, and this one is the most complex, however, I think it has the highest return on investment, is what Scott Polderman does. And what he does is create a ton of different TikToks about various different side hustles that you can do to make some extra money on the side. And he has over 1.4 million followers with over 7.6 million likes. And he gets a decent amount of traffic on all of his videos. Now, what he does is he links to this website in his bio right here. And this is a how to start a profitable business course, in which people can enroll in his course. And every time someone enrolls in the course, he will make a decent amount of money. I mean, these courses can get very expensive. They range from like $50. They can be over $200 to over $300. Some courses even go up to about $1,000, depending on how big and how much value the course is providing. You can see that this course has a free webinar. So basically, the way course funnels work is they give you a free webinar, and then you can eventually get sold on a expensive course because you're already invested in learning how to make a profitable business. It's easy to upsell a $50 to $250 plus course. So this is the most complex way and the most time-consuming way to make money off of TikTok, but it definitely is the most profitable in terms of how much money you would make back, because again, the ROI on making these courses are typically very high. So the amount of money that you make is typically related to how much time that you actually put into it. So if you want to put in more time to make a course, you're probably going to get a lot more money back, because again, courses sell for way more than, let's say, a merch store or let's say YouTube ad revenue. But that is 3 different ways that you can make over $100 a day on TikTok. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.